Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Arts. So today I get the following error notification while I try to log in my Facebook account and it shows login automatically. The password you entered is incorrect but we can log you in using the Google account on your phone. So how to fix this issue? And my suggestion is this is not a error message, which means that if you entered the wrong password, this Facebook team shows this kind of message. So anyway, how to recover your Facebook account? So if you get this message, just press forget password and sometimes they ask for your contact access permission. So you can click to allow and they ask for my mobile number. But if you not linked your mobile number with this Facebook, just press search by your email instead. So and then type your email ID. But here I already linked my mobile number with this Facebook. So I try to enter my mobile number and then press find your account. So finally they find my account. So if you fail, this is your Facebook account, just press login. So now my Facebook account is successfully recovered. So at same time, this is not your account, just press try another way. And they ask for the verification method, which means that they send the verification code to your registered email ID or phone number. So I try to verify my Facebook account via phone number. So just select send code via SMS and then click to continue. And you can check your message application. So otherwise, if you use Gmail for verification, just check your inbox. So after I get this code, it will automatically verified. So here you can select keep me logged in and click to continue. And they ask for the new password. So you can create it and click to continue. And it shows the one pop-up window. So you can remember your password and click to OK. And finally my Facebook account is successfully recovered. So friends, if this trick works for you, just leave a one like. So otherwise, just put your valuable comments. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel, Tech Arts. And thanks for watching.